people are closing close to that list price. So people are pricing their homes correctly.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, Kathy Sikolik and Ashley Jackson here with Mueller Residential Group with our monthly status update of the market
For April 2025.
Woo!
Woo! Yay, spring.
Spring market. So let's start with townhomes here. In April, the data that we collect from the Texas Realtors indicates that we had 7 closed sales at the median sales price of $777,500. That is down from March a little bit, and it's down year over year.
It looks like March had just one closed
one
sale, so
closed
really
sale.
not a lot of data, but yeah, but that kind of reflects the market that we're in.
Yeah. And now this is interesting too, because there were 11 active listings in March, and we're at 12 now in April with 7 closed sales. So more inventory is hitting the market, which is very common for this time of year.
Yeah, definitely what you would expect.
And then this is the same 3.3 months of inventory. I thought that the close to original list price was really interesting at 98%.
Yeah.
That means people are closing close to that list price. So people are pricing their homes correctly.
Yeah, and that's great news, and that motivates buyers, so keep pricing correctly.
Yeah, and so days on market was pretty good because I think they were priced well.
Yeah.
24 days on market.
Sounds like we had some motivated sellers.
Right. So then single family homes in April.
Oh, looks like we had 2 closed sales. So not a lot of data, but it brought the median price down to $852,500. So March had 5 closed sales, and the median price was much higher at $1,073,000. Looks like, yeah.
That's an interesting point too. So the size in March, those were a lot bigger at 2,360 square feet, and with an average year built of 2014. But in April, we were at 2008. So, of course, our older homes in the neighborhood at only 1,989 square feet. So
Yeah, so it would make sense that the median price would come down.
Yep.
Looks like the days on market improved for April. 28 days on market and 39 from March. And the close to list price improved a little bit too. Yeah, at 96.2%.
Yep.
Okay.
And again, listings also went up. We have 12 active listings at the end of April, and in March we only had 8. So again, what we expect to see in the spring market, we're betting that May numbers are going to be pretty interesting just because we've had a lot of activity, and as we start going into summer, and then we'll see what happens in June. I don't know, our outlook for June.
Yeah, the interest rates have gone up to 7 and maybe a little bit beyond 7%. So that certainly impacts the market. And we've been seeing that over the past week or two. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
And all the uncertainty. So we don't know. We'll see. It'll be a fun adventure.
Yeah.
All right. See you next month.